Next type is hire purchase. As we all know, the common example for hire purchase is we purchase house, we purchase car, we purchase some other material on down payment basis. So the customer is paying some amount as a part of down payment and the remaining is financed by financial bank. Next is credit rating service. Now these are the credit rating agencies which is giving rating to industries, to business, to institutions, and on the basis of same common public can identify the level of good governance in any option or in any investment option. Next is mutual fund. Now we all know that mutual fund can be of many variety, but in common the function of mutual fund is to diversify the investment into many assets to avoid risk. Next is derivative. Now it is nothing but derivation of the value of any asset in future. Then that derived value is being bought and sold in current period and being executed in future period. Next is underwriting. We all know whenever company is going for an IPO, is raising money from common people, it is not necessary or guaranteed that they can gather, they can collect all the money they require. So they hire this financial service called underwriting. Here the banker is giving guarantee that whatever money they will not be able to raise from market, this banker will finance. So till now we have discussed the meaning of financial service and 10 types of financial service. Now we are discussing functions of financial services. Very first function is mobilizing savings. So first, it is providing options for savings, then it is helping to mobilize the same. How? Let us understand. We have seen banking services, mutual fund services, portfolio management, and derivative. In all these varieties, we have seen that it is giving an opportunity for mobilization of money, for it is supporting flow of money. Second function is storing and building wealth. So we all know that in bank, in portfolio management, in mutual fund, they can save money. People can save money. And how it is building wealth? In bank, people are getting interest. In portfolio management, people are getting return. In mutual fund also, clients are getting return. So wealth building is also one of the function. Third function is providing liquidity. For example, loan by banks, hire purchase service, underwriting service are providing liquidity. We all know that to finance professional and personal goal, bank is giving loan. Hire purchase is a function where on any purchase, clients are only paying down payment and remaining is financed by banking services. Underwriting is the facility where even IPO or capital raising can be financed by banking service. So, providing liquidity is also important function. Next is payment and settlement mechanism. So we all know that bank through check, through credit card, through debit card, plus there are some apps also, UPI also like Google Pay, Paytm, Bhim app, all are financial service provider which is making it easy to pay and to settle any financial transaction. Next important function is credit providing. So Bank is providing credit through cash credit, advance, loan, overdraft facility. Plus, development banks are also providing this credit service to industry, to any business sector. Plus, at an international level, there are development banks which is providing credit to countries or developing countries. Next, even broking firms are also providing credit to finance investment and trading transaction. Risk management is something which we can see in case of mutual fund services, in case of portfolio management services. Here, these funds or portfolio managers are investing our money into many assets just to avoid the risk of loss through one or two sector, because they are investing into many sector. Next is, it is also information provider. How? Let us understand. First, SEBI is providing information of all the companies listed under NSE and BSE. Plus, all the company compulsorily has to provide their financial statement, and it should made available to common people. Next is, RBI is also providing all the information or changes related information they are making into banking sector. Then, if we take example of IRDA, they are also providing all the information of all insurance product listed under IRDA. So, these were the functions of financial services.